nice again.
Hands up with your ball, feet as wide as your hips. Oops. Feet as wide as your hips. Then balik ng courage. Balik. Angat ang paa. Yan. Paano kapag naka-table top? As wide as your hips. Yan. Balik ng courage. Hands up. This is your starting. Inhale. Exhale. Push. Jump. Very good. Angat mo lang. Okay? Yan. Doon siya. Ma'am? Push and jump. Hands up. Sige, wala. Balik ng carriage.
Pag nag-jump, kuya, kumakalto.
Now, push and jump. Good. Very good.
Sorry, coach. Okay.
Mama, tumilapot na, Casey.
Feel that? Hands up. Yeah, bababa ko na lang po.
Sure, si Casey, tumilapot na.
Ilan, bababa ko siya. Wait lang po. Hands up, up, down. Push and jump. Bakit di pantay ka ako?
O, mag-happy boy na
Pantay yung paa niya!
Mag-happy happy na rin pa ako.
Balik pa. Angat. Feet as well as your hips. Push and jump. Right lang ang pinang-pupush mo. Right lang ang pinang-pupush mo. Sabay. Inhale muna. Exhale, push and jump. Yan. Okay? Right lang yung pinang-jump mo kanina eh.
Joy, yung dancing okay ka, pero yung pala.
Kaya sa kaliwa yung paa niya.
Ano ba ginagawa mo?
Okay, ready?
Sorry po.
Feet flat mo muna. Feet as wide as your hips. Feet flat. Feet as wide as your hips. Balik ng carriage. Wala po munang pagpupush. Hands up. Sabay po tayong tatalon ha. Again, every time you push and jump, you exhale. Every time you return, you inhale. Subukan po natin muna yung first exercise, which is your push and point muna. Okay? Huwag na muna natin siya ituloy-tuloy. Tignan po muna natin. Hands up. Inhale. Exhale, go for 1. Push and point. Go for 2. Go for 3. Go for 4. And 5. And 6. And 7. And 8. And 9. And 10. And 10. And 9. And 8. And 7. And 6. And 5. And 4. And 3. And 2. And 1. Relax and
Teacher, I'm flying.
Kaya? Hanggang, crisscross siya, hindi mo lang siya isang ganyan ha. Crisscross. Hands up.
Asaya kaya, asaya. It's like I'm flying, teacher.
Hands up. Kaya pala nakuhuli ka. Hindi ba dyan ginagawa mo, hindi talon? Hands up, hands up, hands up. Crisscross tayo. Angat muna ng mga paa. Nakababa pa yung mga paa ninyo. From there, inhale. Exhale, go for 1. Crisscross. Go for 2. Go for 3. Very good. Go for 4. And 5. And 6. And 7. 8. And 9. And 10. And 10. And 9. And 8. And 7. And 6. And 5. And 4. And 2. And 1. Relax and recover.
Isa pa lang ako ngayon. Stroke ko.
Okay. Ito batch na to, baby. Ito na tawag si Pring. Okay? Uulitin po natin sila. This time, the ball under your bra line. Okay? Sasamahan natin siya ng 4. Sit down muna, pero wala mag-a-adjust ng weight. Just sit down. Then place the ball sa gitna ng shoulder blocks, pero huwag sa mismong gitna, harap lang. Yan. Oops. Angat ng konti. Yan.
Ano tayo?
Interlace your fingers. Place the ball, place your hands behind your head, thumbs on your necks. Or you move it up. Scoop your belly over up. Scoop your belly over up. Nakakaminig lalim na mga nag-double over him. Base ko lang siya. Scoop belly na siya over. Okay? Angat ng konti. There. Okay? Yup, that's part of your challenge as well. Naka-curl up kayo ng onti dyan. This will activate your core. Angat. Ma'am Joy, bigyan niya tayo ng harang eh.
Sorry.
Feet flat, please. As wide as your hips. Interlace your fingers behind your head. Curl up. That's your starting position. Naka-curl up talaga siya. Okay? Scoop your belly no matter what para hindi po kayo magka-back pain. Same lang tayo. Push and point. After nun, push, tap, tap, tap. After nun, push, crisscross. Subukan natin siya. Tuloy-tuloy this time. Inhale muna. Exhale for nothing. One more inhale muna. Exhale for nothing. Last one, inhale. Exhale for nothing. Curl up higher a little bit. Inhale. Exhale, go for 1. Push and point. Go for 2. Go for 3. Go for 4. Go for 5. Go for 6. Go for 7. Go for 8. Go for 9. Go for 10. And 10, and 9, and 8, and 7, and 6, and 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, tap, 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 push, tap, 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 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 10, and 9, and 8, and 7, and 6, and 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, crisscross, go for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 10, and 9, and 8, and 7, and 6, and 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Relax and relax. back? Wala siya? Okay, that's good. Okay, have a sip of your water, sip lang. Name next, batch pa po tayo.
May pangyari.
Saan na kayo?
Yes. Masaya nga.
Ay, saya ka.
Ay, asawa ko nagtatanong.